So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign, we show how you can use the Files application by Google to send files and apps in particular. Actually yesterday I made a tutorial on how you can send and share files and someone had commented that how do we send apps? So let's just go ahead and solve this query. So basically I have the Files application loaded on each of these devices. And if you see the Files application by its native virtue, it will have three options: clean, browse and share. So clean helps you clean, so you can like check files, you can select, and then in case you agree with their suggestions, you can select all of them and go ahead and click on the delete button. It helps you do that. Browse, like the name says, it helps you browse and search different files under different headings and categories. You should be focused on share because you want to share, right? You want to send something or receive something. So on each of these devices, I am going to click on share. Now the next thing that I'm about to do is I'm about to send an app. So this device for me is the sender and this device here is for me the receiver. I click on send here and I already have a name assigned to it and it says ask your friend to click on receive. So let's click on receive. So you can see that people nearby has been identified, and as soon as I do this, so it's trying to establish a connection, and here it says that okay, the connection is being tried to establish. Do you want to kind of accept this? So let me just zoom in. Yeah, so I like connect, and you can see as soon as I give the permission, all the files and everything open up on the sender device. Now they are on different headings. So it's like videos are for all the videos that you have on the device, apps is for all the apps that you have on the device, images, downloads and other things. So you wanted to send apps, right? So this is the apps. So this is how you can send apps, and say I want to send a certain app. So I click on the app. So in this case, say I click on JioMart. I can select multiple apps actually. I click on send. And you can see the sending has already happened, and it says that the app has been received and Google Play product regularly scans your device for harmful and other things. So there you go, the app has been received for me. I can click to install it, open it, do whatever I want. So this says for your security, your phone is not allowed to uninstall. So I can go to settings and I can turn this on, allow from this source, files from Google. And then I go back, I click on install. So hopefully this tutorial helps. If it does, do consider subscribing and click on the bell icon for notifications. We have the app installed now and we can go ahead and like any other app, we can use it. So just go ahead and let us know whether you found this helpful, and yeah, you can share this with your friends, colleagues and other people. And this is how you would be sending apps using like the Files application by Google. So hopefully the person who asked me, his query is answered. We'll try and put his name in the video description so that you come to know whom I made this for. Thank you so much. Until next time, it's me, Amlan, signing off.